Hello. So I'm back here again with this question of probability. I see that many students get confused. This is really scary, not to many of the students. But that's okay. It's not that really scary if you pay attention and understand this. All right. So the question is, two dice are thrown. What is the probability of obtaining a total of 10 or 11? So let's work on only this part as of now. Yeah. So let's understand that if you're throwing only one dice, you know that dice, right? Which we use while playing snake and ladder, that dice you roll and it will have some 6 outcomes. So if you roll one dice, you have 6 outcomes, okay? But if you roll 2 dice, you're going to have 6 to the power of 2 rules. So the power is going to be rules. 2, and that's going to be 36. So you're going to have total 36 outcomes, okay, when you roll 2 dice. So when you find the probability, what is the formula of probability? That, let me write it down here, that your denominator is always going to be total outcome, isn't it? And then that particular event which you're looking for, event, okay? So now here, yeah. So the total outcome is 36. So your denominator is going to be 36. Okay. Let's see what comes in the numerator. That's a question mark. Okay. Now, if you read the question carefully here, probability of obtaining either a total of 10 or 11. So whenever there is or here in the probability, 10 or 11, that means you're considering both the outcomes. So you want 10 also and you want 11 also. So let's see here. What is the possibility of having 10? Outcome 10. So when is it possible when you roll the 2 dice, when both the dice are, one of the dice is having 4, another is having 6, then 5, 5, then 6, 4, isn't it? So these are total 3 here for 10. See, of course, it is going to be one more, 5, 5, but whenever the same outcome is repeated, we're not going to consider it. We don't consider that. That's a practice. Okay, so we have total 3 outcomes for 10. Let's see how many outcomes do we have for 11. So the possibilities are 5, 6, and 6. 5. Only these two together make 11. So we have only 2 outcomes here. Yeah. So in total, for 10 or 11, we have total 3 plus 2, that is 5, isn't it? So the probability of obtaining 10 or 11 is 5 out of 36, isn't it? 5 is for 10 or 11, which we just saw here. And 36 is the total outcome. So let's say which of the option is matching here. Oh yeah, option D. Option D is the correct answer here, isn't it? Let me just mark it with some, yeah. Option D. Option D is the correct answer, which is 5 over 36, which is matching with the answer. Okay. So I hope you understood how to solve this. Yeah. Just remember, based on the number of dice, your outcomes will be decided. If you're rolling 1 dice, you have 6 outcomes. 2 dice, then 6 to the power of 2. Like I've written here, 36 outcomes. If you're rolling 3 dice, it is going to be 6 to the power of number of roll. That is 6 to the power of 3. Yeah? All right, that's how you're going to decide it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this question and you understood very well. Whatever questions you have, whatever doubts you have, please do comment. Thank you so much. Yeah? Enjoy math. Jai Hind.